Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is this delicious, flavorful and healthy vegetable soup with tofu and with beautiful flavors and specially made in winter season with bunch of vitamins, minerals and protein in it. One bowl of soup is good enough for our meal and you can have it anytime during the day. Let's go in my kitchen and check out the ingredients. Alright, so these are the ingredients that I have taken for mixed veg soup. So let's start with tofu. Tofu is a good protein option for us. So I have some chopped broccoli, some capsicum which is bell pepper. For flavoring we have ginger garlic and green chili. These are thinly sliced. We need 1 tablespoon of oil. I have 2 to 3 tablespoons of oats and I have added hot water in it. So it is soaking for about 10 minutes now. So this is the option, the healthier option for corn flour or cornstarch that we use it as a thickening agent. So if you are on diet or want to make it healthier soup, then you can use the oats soaked in water. Alright, so some more flavoring here. So I have almost half of a lemon, red chili flakes, salt to taste and black pepper powder. I have some more veggies here. The more veggies, the better it is and the healthier it is. So add carrot chops, green beans chops, and I have taken cabbage. You use cabbage or you can add everything together and it will be a healthier soup for us. So let's start with the next process. Alright, in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. We do not want much of oil. Just 1 tablespoon to saute the vegetables. We are making it very healthy. It's a very healthier version of this soup. So once the oil is hot, we are going to add ginger, garlic and green chili. Add that. If you have kids home and if they are having it, so you may avoid the green chili or red chili flakes as I said, but you can add more of black pepper powder just for that flavor. Add some carrot because they are really hard to cook, so it's gonna take a little longer for them to cook, so add them first. And I just chop it in advance so that we can use it for any other recipe like fried rice or anything like that, or make the soup for the second time. Give that a good mix. My flame is on medium high. Add broccoli. I have already washed and chopped them. So whatever time is going to take for chopping is the major time. So make sure you have time to chop these vegetables in advance. Give that a good mix. Later portion of the soup making process is really easy. Just pretty much add it and let it cook. Look how colorful and beautiful it looks. You can also add corns or green peas in this. I've taken about half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of black pepper powder and couple pinches of red chili flakes. Give that a good mix, let it cook. Time to add some cabbage. Alright. So minutes are over. My veggies are cooked. We are not going to make them mushy. We need that little crunch in it, so 2 minutes of cooking is good enough. Now I have the oats mixture, so I have soaked these oats in hot water, so the cooking process is easy. So now it is all um, creamy texture right here. Add that in the soup. So it's a healthier option for, instead of corn flour, you can use this. Give that a good mix. And now time to add hot water. So I'm adding about 2 cups of hot water, or just eyeball it and see whether you need more. Again, the water consistency is up to you. You can add more if you want liquidy soup. Okay, this looks perfect to me. Not very thin, not very thick, just perfect. Now bring it to boil, and in about 2 to 3 minutes, look at this, how beautiful it looks. And my soup is boiling now. Let's squeeze a small lemon, half of a lemon. So let's add the juice just for that freshness. Alright, and if you want, you can add some coriander for that beautiful fresh flavor, but this is totally optional. If you want, you can skip it. Alright, my soup is ready, completely ready, and we are done with the soup. Look how beautiful this looks. Very healthy soup. Alright, let's turn the heat off. Doesn't it look like a restaurant style sweet corn vegetable soup? Yes, it is like that. Alright, so here is my soup, and as you can see, it looks so delicious and flavorful and super healthy recipe. So I hope you give it a try in your kitchen and enjoy, especially in this winter season. It is an immunity booster and of course weight loss special soup. I hope you try that, and please give it a thumbs up and do share with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. See you next time with a healthier option. Take care. Bye bye.